In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect a Slack bot to n8n. If you want to automate messages, react to activity in Slack, or build workflows that connect your workspace to other tools, this setup is a great place to start. The most reliable way to do it is by creating a Slack app, giving it the correct bot permissions, and then connecting that app to the native Slack node inside n8n. Before you begin, make sure you already have access to an n8n environment, whether that's cloud or self-hosted, and that you have permission to create apps in your Slack workspace. First, open your browser and go to the Slack API portal at api.slack.com/apps. Once you're there, click Create New App, then choose the option to create it from scratch. Enter a clear app name so it's easy to recognize later. Select the Slack workspace where you want the bot to live, and then create the app. Once the app has been created, the next step is to configure the permissions it needs. In the left-hand menu, go to OAuth and Permissions. Scroll down until you reach the Scopes area and look for the Bot Token Scopes section. Click Add an OAuth scope and add the required permissions one at a time. You'll need chat write, so the bot can post messages, channels read so it can see public channel names, and both I am read and I'm write so it can work with direct messages. After those scopes have been added, scroll back to the top of the page and click Install to Workspace. Slack will ask you to approve the app's permissions, so click Allow. When the installation finishes, Slack will generate a bot user OAuth token. Copy that token because you'll need it in n8n. Just be careful to keep it private and secure. Now switch over to your n8n editor. On the workflow canvas, click the plus icon to add a new node, search for Slack, and select the native Slack node. In the node settings panel, open the credential selector and choose Create New Credential. Depending on your n8n version, set the authentication method to Access Token or OAuth 2. Then paste in the bot token you copied from Slack and save the credential. With the connection in place, you can test it right away. In the Slack node, set the resource to message and the operation to post. Then enter the destination channel either as a channel name or channel ID. In the text field, type a short test message so you can confirm everything is working. Finally, click Execute Node. If the setup was successful, your bot should post that message directly into the selected Slack channel. That confirms your Slack bot is now connected to n8n and ready for automation workflows. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.